Oh, fucking bike's just cut out. Well, that's interesting, isn't it? I've heard about problems like this. So the bike just randomly cut out. Got a feeling it might be to do with these regulators or whatever they're called from the factory. These Enfields are notorious for having just shitloads of, well, what looks like duck fat or lard stuffed into the regulators, and I think they're known to give occasional problems. Luckily I've got the first service on Tuesday, so I shall certainly let them know about that problem. Hopefully they'll do the job and clean all that shitty old grease out of the regulators. I don't think they're called regulators, are they? I can't remember what they're called. And sort that problem out. So a brand new Interceptor, just a couple of weeks old. 250 miles on the clock, not even had the first service yet, and I've had my first experience of the bike randomly cutting out. What do you think? Is that the excess lard in the regulators? Does it happen to you? I'm sure they'll sort it out in the service next week.